Berries, the ultimate superfood for your daily health boost. Welcome to Mrs. P's Remedy Revolution. In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 benefits of berries that make them a must-have in your diet. Let's dive in. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Berries are packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Number 2. Boosts immunity. High in vitamins, especially vitamin C, berries strengthen your immune system and help ward off illnesses. Number 3. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in berries contribute to lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Number 4. Aids in digestion. Berries are high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. Number 5. Enhances skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in berries help maintain youthful and radiant skin. Number 6. Improves brain function. Regular consumption of berries has been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. Number 7. Helps manage weight. Low in calories and high in fiber. Berries keep you full longer, aiding in weight management. Number 8. Fights inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of berries help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Number 9. Supports eye health. Nutrients like vitamins A and C in berries help maintain good vision and eye health. Number 10. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber in berries helps control blood sugar levels, making them a great option for those with diabetes. Enjoy these tasty and nutritious berries to enhance your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips on Mrs. P's Remedy Revolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of holistic health and wellness. Until next time, subscribe for more videos from Mrs. P's Remedy Revolution.